Hey, this is Chris from Chainbase. I'm not sure how many of you from crypto world and how many portion of you are from AI. As you can see from my dress, I'm not AI professional, but I'm a crypto DJ. So today I'm gonna talk about the how we use on-chain data to bring intelligence to crypto. So on our understanding, there are two types of crypto that combine crypto and AI. One is crypto for AI, the other is vice versa, is AI for crypto. For crypto for AI, I think they all use crypto as a tool to optimize the AI workflow, because crypto, as we all know, is the incentive network, and it's the best way to ensure all the security and to decentralize everything's effort to the whole worldwide ecosystem. And the type of product or companies that focus on this area, as we can see, Sahara, IO.net, and MyShell, they are on different AI workflows to use crypto to empower that. But on the other side is where we were focus on is AI for crypto, because as a native crypto project, we think AI workflow will bring more intelligence and more the power to the whole world to make crypto to be more mass adopted and to be more easily for everyone to onboarding. And there are also type of a product like us to try to figure out in how AI could empower a crypto world, like decentralized machine learning, like AI model ecosystem, and also like us, we create the very first crypto foundation model by leveraging our data network. I will just illustrate this later. So what is our approach? So in short, we will introduce this idea to you guys, which is called word model. There are some papers and reports talking about what is word model, but in short, word model is the translation from LLM to a large word model represent the paradigm shift in AI. So moving the understanding of word through the text to the more realized human doing. So what we are doing right now is we just combine crypto's the intelligence or crypto's incentive network with the word model to create the very first crypto word model, which means we're gonna leverage the large language, the natural language interaction capability, and feeding all the on-chain data into the model to create the very first crypto word GPT, which means this model can understand the whole things happen on-chain. And you can just use your natural language to interact with it. Then it's gonna give you the feedback as your the security team and also like your trading team. So here are some screenshots that I use from our product and also as June. As we can see that the on-chain data is the best gateway to understand crypto. For example, we decoded all the on-chain data by different category. We name it by different API. It's like an NFT API showing all the NFT transactions on-chain. Token API showing all your balance sheet and all your wallet coming in and transaction between different wallet. And then balance API showing that the different balance changing in your own wallet and also in different smart contract. We also use our whole console, like the circle desktop, that you can circle your own customized API, and we're gonna generate the result by leveraging all the on-chain resources, on-chain data. We decoded and processed during the past 2 years, give you an answer within 1 second. Then, as we can see, that another product is called Dune. They just show you all different type of dashboard that showing the knowledge behind the data. So which means we have all the data, information, and knowledge on-chain, but where's the intelligence? Before answering that question, I will show you some numbers, because as we can see that the high-quality data is the virtual components for a high-quality model. But the left-hand side, I list out the numbers that GPT use. So as you can see, the GPT-3 and GPT-1, GPT-4, they just use different type of data and different type of quality. So the higher the data size, the higher the quality, then we're gonna deliver the higher quality of a model. And the right-hand side is what I show you that how many transactions and how many data on-chain right now. As we can see, the level of data on-chain right now is suitable or is qualified for us to train a model that is capable to compete with the intelligence of GPT-3. And in Chainbase, we processed 50 billion data calls during the past 2 years, and we stored more than 2 petabyte data in our data lake. So we're going to use all this data with human-crafted and human-filtered labeling or parameters to train the very first crypto foundation model. Here are the architecture design of the whole product. On this side, as you can see, we have a 3-layer within our world model. At the very bottom, we're going to train the model by ourselves. So all the on-chain data from the database or other database provider, we're going to use all this to fit in our own purpose-designed algorithm, which is called a decentralized DORA, as the fine-tuning tool to train our own model. Then in order to ensure the security, we also have another algorithm which is called a generate to default, which means, as I said here, that we prevent attack through a random parameter space and a periodical update by model parameter. Then if you attack the one interface, you cannot attack the whole world model. So for the interface, in our crypto world model, we have 2 types of secret. One is the crypto patterns. All these patterns generated by the data and by the knowledge we provide on-chain, and it's trained by the algorithm. Then we have a different type of patterns to understand the on-chain knowledge structure-wise. Then we're going to provide a causal reasoning for every indexing or every query that the end user asks for the model to solve with. On the right-hand side, this is why we can do it. Because during the past 2 years, we processed all the on-chain data. We rolled up all this on-chain and off-chain data into chain level, and we make it all be accessible. Then use the purpose-designed dual-chain model to either secure the high performance, multitask parallel data processing, and also the high security and accuracy. This data layer gonna be deployed on Cosmos as the app chain, and also we use Eigenlayer or Babylon AVS to secure the execution. Then at the very top, we also designed a manuscript, which is the standardized format to show all the on-chain data. Then it provide high interoperability and AI training capability. So we just fit in all this data into the model, use our own algorithm, then ensure the security. Everyone can use it by just one click. So at last, I want to show that our view of the future world. So probably the crypto and the Web2 we are interacting with every day, combine these two, going to be the future interaction. Because if you imagine that in the future there are going to be more and more AI-empowered entities or AGIs to work with us together, then the interaction between AI cannot be translated by fiat, right? It's more likely to be transferred by token. Then the crypto world model going to give you a whole understanding of what happened on-chain. And the OpenAI or GPT like the LLM going to give you understanding of what happened in the real world. Then if we combine these two together, it gives you a collective intelligence and of the crypto world and the real world. Probably this is the future, and we're going to design the crypto part for all of you. Yeah, that's all for me. Thanks.